Wondering how to get real-time information and feedback from users or customers? And how you can provide the best and compelling customer experience across all touchpoints. Today, we will walk through how to automate your customer feedback process using Salesforce surveys. In this video, we will show you how to use and analyze surveys in Salesforce. Before moving on to the demo, let's first have a quick introduction to Salesforce surveys. With the Spring 18 release, Salesforce has introduced Salesforce surveys that enables you to collect feedback and data from your users or customers and supercharge your customers' experience by using a simple editor. The survey data that you collect from the users is stored in your Salesforce org. You can then use Salesforce to view your survey data, create reports and dashboards, and gain data-driven insights across organizations. Now, let me share with you the client's requirements. The client wanted us to create surveys in Salesforce for collecting feedback and information from their users and customers to refine your customer feedback strategy and make informed business decisions. Earlier, the client was using SurveyMonkey to create an online professional survey, but it was too expensive, so they wanted an effective solution within Salesforce. Salesforce provides an out-of-the-box feature to create surveys within Salesforce org. Salesforce surveys enable you to make excellent and easy-to-use forms for collecting feedback and data from your clients. Let me show you how we create, send, and analyze surveys in Salesforce with the demo. Here, I have already created the template. To view the survey template builder, click on the Open Latest Version button and then you will be redirected to the survey builder page. Here, you can see on the screen there are 3 page options. The first is the welcome page, initial propose page, that is basically a questionnaire where you have a set of questions that your client need to answer to provide the feedback. And the last one is a thank you page. It is displayed after the feedback form is filled. On the displayed screen, you have the option to switch off your pages. You can disable your pages of your choice. So here I have disabled welcome page and thank you page in my survey. In the questionnaire page, you can customize the question page in your survey. Also, you can choose which type of questions to include in the survey page. Once you are done with adding the questions in the questionnaire page, click on the send button and then get activation for participants in your company. You can also add the participants outside your company. You will get different links for both to share. You can keep the survey responses anonymous depending on your choice. So here, let's check out for participants who are outside the company. You need to switch to participants outside your company and here you will get the link. You need to copy the link and open it into another tab. Now you can see here we have the survey form. As you click on the next button, you will see the questionnaire page where there are multiple questions. The users can fill their responses and then responses will be saved in the sales org. After clicking on the final button, you will be redirected to the thank you page. So, this was all about how you can enhance your customer experience. When it comes to providing the best and personalized customer experience, surveys in Salesforce would be an ideal option to get real-life answers and opinions from the customers and provide them with the right tools to always stay ahead of customer expectations. If you need any help or guidance in setting and creating surveys in Salesforce, get in touch with the best Salesforce consulting company. The team of certified Salesforce consultants at Cloud Analogy can help you in every aspect of the Salesforce survey and help you achieve functional efficiency with Salesforce. Hire the best Salesforce consulting company now.